Hey, beautiful. Thank you so much for popping on by and checking out my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. I am Shariva with Allegra Design Studios, and today I am getting ready to get real with you. So I'm just gonna cozy up and get real with you guys. Share a bit about my heart and where I've come from and what my vision is for this platform, for this channel. Okay, so going way back, as a young girl and a teenager, I have always been surrounded with fabulously beautiful women. My mother is gorgeous, 5'11". She was in the modeling industry for a short period of time when I was younger. Once things started to amp up and they wanted to start sending her overseas, she just, number one, realized that it wasn't the right lifestyle for a mother with 2 young kids. But also, she's always reiterated that industry really makes you focus on all of your flaws and how you can be one of the most beautiful people, but they'll nitpick on the things that are not good about you. And so it was just a really hard industry to be in. Maybe it has changed since then, but that was just the reality of where it was at that point. So she made the decision to step away from it and move into other things. But she has always been very health conscious about, putting her best self forward. Makeup, doing her hair, dressing really well. And I also had aunties, which are to this day, just classy and stylish women. My cousins, I just feel like I was always surrounded with stunning, gorgeous women that were beautiful from the inside out. I always felt really honored to be a part of the family that I'm in, and just looked up to so many of them in so many different ways. That being said, just as any other girl, I would assume, I had some serious insecurities, and constantly being surrounded by what I saw as beautiful, stunning women, I really started to compare. And comparison is something that is very normal for young girls and into womanhood as well. I think that's just something that as women we naturally do, and it starts at a young age. And so I would look at these different women around me and I would see all of the things that I thought were so beautiful about them. And I would compare it to the things that I did not like about my own personal body or my face or, height or anything really. And so I started to really struggle with shame, body insecurity, not feeling like I was enough, even personality wise, right? Comparing my personality to other people's personality and the strengths that they had that I didn't have, right? So we always are comparing our, hidden things that we don't love about ourselves to everyone else's. It's usually somebody's highlight reel to our floor cuts. So anyways, that was something that I really struggled with. I began to self-sabotage. I started to wrestle with my worth, what my value was to other people. I started to have a struggle with food, an unhealthy struggle with food. My self-talk was really awful. You guys, I wouldn't say the things that I said to myself I wouldn't say to my worst enemy. And sometimes we are our own worst enemy. Fast forward a number of years and I got married. I had my first baby, which was a girl, and I was really young when I had her. And one of the things that I realized was how unhealthy I was, and I realized that I was parenting out of my insecurities, out of the things that I wrestled with. I was going to perpetuate some of this unhealth into my kids' lives if I did not find a way to overcome these things. Now, I'm not here to say that I have now found the ticket and I have totally overcome all of my insecurities, because I have not. I still struggle with looking in the mirror and seeing all of the things that I do not love. But I have come to a resolve in my heart that as a mother of 4 beautiful girls and an auntie, and I have so many wonderful young women in my life that I know are looking up to me, I feel like it's such a huge responsibility. I feel like the responsibility for us as women is to make sure that we are reiterating to them what true beauty is. And we need to redefine beauty. It's not what society says it is. Our focus needs to be beauty from the inside out. So how do we become beautiful from the inside out? How do we live life beautifully? I believe that it is to see others and to help them see themselves as beautiful, feel valued, feel like they have a purpose, because they do. Give them hope and a desire to live to tomorrow. I know that there is a huge challenge right now with our young people, with our young women. I feel like I see them struggle with their own sense of worth and their own sense of value. And so what I want you guys to know is that me coming on here and doing makeup and doing hair and playing around with some of these things, I take this so seriously. It is not just about the superficial beauty that we see from the outside. Okay, beauty is so much deeper, and you do not need makeup to be beautiful, and you should not need to get all glammed up to feel like you are worth something. I do not want to perpetuate that. It doesn't actually matter what we look on like on the outside. Although, because I'm a creative person, I love playing with makeup and I love beauty and I love things that, finding ways to be artistic. And I'm just an artist on my face. My face is my canvas, and I just think it's so fun. So as we play with makeup, as I post different videos and stuff like that, I just want you guys to know that it's not about masking anything. It's not about hiding who we really are. It's actually just about choosing to see the things that we love about ourselves and highlighting those things and bringing those things forward. And in fact, I hope it helps you to take your mask off and feel confident in your own skin and love who you are and feel confident enough to play around and just have fun. And it's just an outlet of encouragement to yourself and to others. And I want to create a space where women are able to come, be real, feel accepted, don't feel like that you have to change, but learn how to love the way that you've been created. Learn how to love things about yourself that are truly, truly beautiful, because you are beautiful. You are a masterpiece. And I want you to feel that way. And I want you to actually believe it. And then I want us to be able to have fun and to be confident and enjoy each other and enjoy playing on this canvas, this space that we all have, and accentuate the things that we're learning to love about ourselves. So I hope that really gives you a good idea of where I'm coming from, for this to be a safe space for us to just be who we truly are. I would so love it if you would like and subscribe. My plan is for them to be coming out every Friday, and comment down below if any of this resonated with you. I'd so love to start a chat with all of you guys. I love you, and I hope to see you again next week right here on my channel. Bye.